Let's look at this question. If the arithmetic mean of 13 distinct natural numbers is 50, then which of the following can be the maximum number among those 13 numbers? Okay, let's see. If arithmetic mean is 50 for 13 numbers, arithmetic mean is 50. It means the sum is 195. 13 into 15, sum is 195. If I'm looking to maximize one number out of those 13, the other 14 should be minimized. So other 14, let me take out the sum, would be the 14 minimum numbers because they are distinct should be, sorry, not 14, the other 12 should be minimized. So sum of first 12 natural numbers is 12 into 13 by 2 or 78. So first 12 natural numbers give me a sum of 78. The 13th number itself will be 195 minus 78, or the sum will be 117. The answer to the question will be option B, 70.